Hey guys, it's Monday, March the 4th of 2024, and I want to go over natural gas, US pre-market open. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I finally got back home yesterday late, so it's good to see the boys, my wife, family, have a good time, catch up, and now back to work. So let's look at what's going on. You can see the monthly is starting to look positive. We had the 152 low, and bottom feeders came in, and so far the weekly's looking good. And this is the daily, and if we zoom in here really quick, you can see this area right here is going to be a little rough. It's going to be some resistance here. We know that 190 is the 90 degree. So this area right here, and then you got the value area low using 3 months on the market profile, $2.04. So this is going to be interesting if we could break through there, and if we could at least penetrate and hopefully fill this gap that's right here. This little area. You see there's a lot of resistance, even more resistance here. Let's go to our 4-hour. I got in Friday around 183. So let's see how this is gonna play out. I missed all this right here. This pullback was the best place to get in, and I missed that. So I got in here. So let's see if we could push here. It's gonna be risky, but let's see. 194 is probably gonna be a rough area to penetrate. But let's put our 4-hour Gan grid, and you can see that the 1x1 is holding pretty good. I thought it was going to get a little weaker, but we're on the stronger side, so that's good. And we got this nice gap up. As long as we can stay above the 1x1, everything starts looking even better. Above VWAP, so that's good. Let's put our Andrew's pitchfork and see what's cooking there. And so far, it's looking good. We're at the 25. Hopefully we get to the 50 here. Midpoint, and I see like there's something coming over here, so we got to keep an eye on that. But so far it's looking good. Let's look good at our simple glance chart, and we got a MACD positive now on the monthly, so that is good. And on the weekly we got our MACD positive buy signal, so that's good. So this is what I was talking about on the Heikin-Ashi, where you get like a little spinning top. For those that are, not that risky, you'll wait for at least that to like show up. And then on this week, that's a strategy. Then you wait, and any dips you buy for the next week. And you got a Tom D. Mark signal, like, you're good to go if you wanted to go long. Just place your stop, but you determine your risk. But so far it's looking good. And it got choppy here. It pulled back. Now we got PPS buy signal, and we're above the 20. Mobile bands are green. Trending is white. Heikin-Ashi bars are open. So yeah, target will probably be this 194 all the way to this value area. What is this? A 1 year, maybe 205 around there. But let's look at our midpoint chart. And you can see the day's positive. The week is positive. The month now is positive because we are in the midpoint, which for the month of March would be 184. So as long as we can hold that, that should be good. And we're in the area where I had, it would have been nice if I would have gotten here. This would have been a nice target, maybe to take some off or at least get out. But so far it's there. Let's see if it could push higher, or if it's going to stall here and maybe go down. Some believe that maybe wave 5 is not done yet for the Elliott wave guys, so we'll see. But so far, this is the target. That if you were, swing trading, this is where you would probably take some off, or maybe lock in profit, unless, things could go higher, find support and then push higher. But, you're dealing with the Black Widow, natural gas. She does not play around. So let's look at, for the week, targets to the upside would be 199, and to the extreme 208. So this is probably the sweet spot right here. If we could get up there to 208. If we fail in the US and they pull back, 175 and then 159. But so far, this would be your midpoint for the whole week. This needs to hold. Even if they push it back, we need to hold here and push higher from here or find support. Now for today, you got 185. You're line in the sand for today. And you already hit your targets, extreme targets. See, 194, it just kissed it. And now let's see if it's going to pull back, deep or kind of just go sideways here. But it kissed 194, so that's important. I want to see what's going to happen in the US session. Let's see. And looking at the monthly, yeah, it kissed 194. You're somewhere around 190. You got 184. These bigger targets would be the $2. And then if it could get at least to 204 all the way to like 208. But we'll take baby steps. So far, things are looking positive here. And let's look at our square of 9. So 194 is where I think, anywhere between 194 and like 204. This is the 180 degree. So anywhere around here, it's going to probably be a battle zone. Maybe chop sideways back and forth here. But we need to hold at least 190 and hold at least 183. So we'll see. That's where I got in at 183 right here at this US session. And surprised that I got this pop here and pushed higher here. So yeah, so this is going to be probably going to be the range if we could get at least a 211. But 204, key levels 197. There was also the 199. That was that February 20th, 2023 low. So these are key pivot points right here, 199 and 194. 190, 183. Key Gann 9 square levels that you want to keep an eye on. Well, hopefully you like this video. I got to get back in the groove. I got to do all my calendar stuff and do the uranium spot price monthly report I do and kind of see what's going on there and kind of look at the markets and get a nice glance and see what's cooking. Hopefully you guys missed me because I missed you guys too. And I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.